myself Devik and you're watching my channel. So today in this video I will show you how to make traffic light with remote control. So subscribe my channel for like this interesting video and like the video for this idea. So let's start. So guys, the things you will be needed are a USB data cable, soldering wire as usual, a cutter, scissors, tape, Fevicol, pencil, scale, some wires, and this PCB, and a switch, and a PVC pipe, some sandpaper, and some this cardboard, only small piece only. Next you will be needed this LED lights, that's green, yellow and red. After that 1K resistance and 3 switch for switching on and off. So first we will ready the base with the help of glue gun and all the outer body. So the base I took is 9 centimeter and this is 12 by 6 centimeter. This is also 12 by 6 centimeter, 2 parts, 12 by 4 centimeter, 2 parts, and 6 by 4 centimeter also 2 parts. And first we will this part on this pipe, PVC pipe on this MDF board with the help of glue gun. Now you will be needing sand, and you want to put the sand inside the pipe like this. After that you will take this cardboard, this one, and guys, and after that you want to take red LED and a piece of paper. You want to cut it like this. Now you want to put the red LED inside it like this, like this. After that you want to take this assembly. You want to keep the base aside till it dry. Now we want to paste it like this. First I will paste it with the help of Fevicol. Like this. If it is not possible with Fevicol, you want to take the tape, a piece of tape, and put around it so it will be not come out. Like this, you want to take the tape and put around it like this and like this. Now you want to take the legs. This is negative and this is positive. Positive you want to bend one side and negative you want to bend one side. Now you will want to take glue gun. You want to fill up the space with the glue around it. You want to move the LED upside. It should be in center. The LED should be in center. Now you want to fill it. Now after this, let it dry, and you want to take the LED yellow, which seconds. So I have done all the connections. The connections only that apply the LEDs. Now the work of soldering is the work of soldering wire. First you will take some wire. This much wire is enough. You will cut this much wire. After that you want to connect all the positive terminals one side like this, and the negative one side. We want to now connect the negative, only connect the positive one side only, negative like this only. Now we want to take the wire and take the iron and solder it. So we want to take this wire side. We want to connect the resistance with this wire only, like this. You want to solder it also. Now you want to take this USB, this one USB. Now you want to take the one leg of resistance. Now I have applied all the switches on this PCB. Now you want to do that. You want to take a wire and solder all the connections one side. Not this one, only this one line. You want to solder like this only. So let's solder it. Well, you can see I have done this all one side wire connection. Now it's time to do the regular base. So first we will take this tool and give board and paste it with the help of glue gun. But before that we will do the hole here, so we can get but we will do the one hole here, so we can take the wire from here like this. It will be out. So let's do, guys. Now I have done the hole. Now we will take out the wire from here like this, but from before that we will tie a knot here, so it will be pulled, so it will be not, the connection will be not get loose like this. Like this we will do, so it will be not get out the wire. Now let's apply the oil connection. The first thing you will need a negative wire. So you want to connect this USB input wire, negative terminal with the negative wire. Now you want to connect this wire to this PCB, which one has this button switch. Now you want to do the soldering here and here. After that, guys, I have done the soldering with the negative input. Now you want to take out the output of the wire with this 3 and with these 3. So you will need the wire and take out the same length. Then you want to do the connections. I do. Guys, the first wire is red. So first we will solder with red, to red with the same length. You want to measure the length, how it will be take this much. So you want to take this, cut this much length. Now we want to do the soldering. First from this negative, the red negative is done. From here is light. Now we want to take from the switch. And you want to be careful with the connections, so it will be not get short circuit. Now I have done this red one connection. Guys, so you can see I have done all the connections same like that. That USB was not working, so I have taken out the USB. Now I will apply another. See, you can see now you want to take the help of tape and you want to do like this, the wires, roll the wires with the help of tape, like this. You want to take this input right, this negative wire also, input one. Now you want to roll all this. So I will do at all. Guys, so that was not working, so I am applying this one USB with applying wire. Guys, now the all connection are there. I have applied that USB also, like this one USB also I have applied on this. Now I have done all connection. Now let's check how it's working or not. First we will doing this like this. Now we will press the switch. Yes, now it's looking working. Now it's time to close it all. Guys, you can see I have completed all. I have closed and put it on the base. You can see here's the remote and then this traffic light. Now I have pressed this red. You can see red is blinking. Now I have yellow. Yellow is also working. Now I press green. Green is also working.